the rainbow. Now, that is a common term that worries parents trying to get their children to eat a balanced fruit and vegetables. So we all know that certain fruit and vegetable, when they bear a certain color, that means they're providing you with a different type of phytochemicals that provides you with that particular nutrients in your diet. Not only for the minerals and vitamins, the phytonutrients is also very important to our health. For example, color red is really related to the heart health, right? So you can find color red vegetables and fruits from apple, pomegranate, strawberries, cherries, chilies, beetroots, and red capsicums. And my favorite, watermelon. They're so juicy and sweet. Who doesn't like it? Now moving on to the color white. Color white fruit and vegetables are really good for the immunity. So you can find it from the banana, mushrooms, potatoes, garlic and onions, or daikon radish, cauliflower as well. That is a very trendy vegetable at the moment. Moving on to the yellow and orange color, and they are really good for, wait for it, for our skin, the largest organ of our body, and it's also good for inflammation. So you can find it from plenty of citrus fruits like the orange, lemon, mango, pineapple, sweet potatoes, carrots, corn, cantaloupe, breadfruit. There's plenty of them. Now let's moving on to the most common and quite important one, the green category, that is really beneficial for cleansing and healing our body, plus good for the blood and bone health too. So you can get plenty greens from the broccolis, peas and beans, asparagus, avocado. Who doesn't like avocado? Kale, spinach, zucchinis. There are plenty green ones there for you to choose from. And did you know kiwi fruit is really good for common cold, insomnia, and plus they're really good for repair DNA damage too. Last but not least, we're talking about the blue and purple color. They are really good to provide you with plenty of antioxidants, and they make you feel and look young too. So what can you do with that? You can get it from figs, eggplants, red cabbage. I just love the red cabbage. They just look fantastic in your coleslaw. And prunes, plums, blueberries and blackberries. That's in the blue and purple categories. And don't forget the grapes. They are just wonderful. So that gives you an idea about how you can have a wide variety of fruit and vegetables with different colors that provide you with different kind of the vitamins, minerals, and the phytonutrients that will really help you to maintain a healthy diet and a healthy body. So comment below about how you actually use the Eat Your Rainbow in your diet. I'd like to hear from you. Until next time, be well, be happy.